In the realm of natural remedies, few fruits have garnered as much attention for their health benefits as blueberries. Beyond their delicious taste and vibrant color, blueberries boast a myriad of nutritional properties that make them a potent ally in promoting overall well-being. One area where blueberries have shown particular promise is in the treatment and prevention of urinary tract problems. Let's delve into the science behind how blueberries can be harnessed to support urinary tract health. Understanding urinary tract problems. Urinary tract problems encompass a range of conditions that affect the urinary system, including infections, inflammation, and the formation of kidney stones. These issues can cause discomfort, pain, and may lead to more serious complications if left untreated. Common symptoms include frequent urination, burning sensations, and cloudy or bloody urine. The power of blueberries. Blueberries are packed with beneficial compounds, including antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which contribute to their remarkable health-promoting properties. Among these compounds are flavonoids, particularly anthocyanins, which give blueberries their distinctive color and offer potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation plays a significant role in urinary tract problems, contributing to discomfort and exacerbating symptoms. Blueberries contain high levels of antioxidants that help combat inflammation throughout the body, including the urinary tract. By reducing inflammation, blueberries may alleviate pain and discomfort associated with urinary issues. 2. Antimicrobial effects. Urinary tract infections, UTIs, are often caused by bacteria such as Escherichia coli, E. coli, which can multiply and thrive in the urinary system. Blueberries possess natural antimicrobial properties that can help inhibit the growth of bacteria responsible for UTIs. Consuming blueberries regularly may help prevent recurrent infections and support the body's natural defense mechanisms. 3. Increased urinary phone. The acidity of urine can influence the development of urinary tract problems, such as kidney stones. Blueberries have been shown to increase urinary pH levels, making the urine less acidic. This can help reduce the risk of crystal formation and the subsequent formation of kidney stones, promoting urinary tract health. 4. Incorporating blueberries into your diet. Enjoying the benefits of blueberries for urinary tract health is easy and delicious. Whether fresh, frozen, or dried, blueberries can be incorporated into various meals and snacks to boost your intake of these nutritious fruits. Here are some ideas for incorporating blueberries into your diet. Add fresh blueberries to breakfast cereals, yogurt, or oatmeal for a flavorful and nutritious start to your day. Blend frozen blueberries into smoothies or juices for a refreshing beverage packed with antioxidants. Sprinkle dried blueberries onto salads or mix them into trail mix for a sweet and tangy twist. Bake blueberries into muffins, pancakes, or bread for a delicious treat that's as wholesome as it is tasty. Blueberries offer a natural and delicious way to support urinary tract health, thanks to their potent anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and pH-regulating properties. By incorporating blueberries into your diet regularly, you can harness the power of these little superfruits to help prevent and alleviate urinary tract problems. However, it's essential to remember that while blueberries can be a valuable addition to a holistic approach to urinary health, they should not replace medical treatment for diagnosed conditions. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment options.